Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I got the package from the mail. One sec you guys, I'll show you. See? I got while to do with the mail that got package came. Holy smokes. And I ordered a bunch of this is just all stuff. This is are the Fortress of Lakers in the mystery box, unknown mystery. And so I can't wait in the box. I'm really happy came the package yesterday. I tried to wait and I got wait because then the mail came and no package and no nothing. And that sucks. And today I feel excited at the package, you guys, and I'm really happy. And finally, I'm gonna make a video, you guys. Just make sure. Alright, let's get first white box, and I ordered from the cassette tape and CDs. I'm really happy I would buy it because of that. It's kind of then see the sticker and are the Fortune records and he's the business the store because it's why and from the United States and you guys and so let's open it, shall we? I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so popped off. So yeah, I'm really happy. Yeah. So guys, we got the Forza Shows CD. This is I'm looking for. I never seen you looking for online, so it's very hard to find. I don't need that. The plastic and I keep it those. The SEC the Forza Shows. It's really badass. It's really cool. In there, can we hear listen to music? And this album is and in ice. I don't know what year it is, and it's awesome soundtrack. And this one is I don't know why because I don't know why he gave me this, and I never ordered that. Probably he gave me that stuff. So yeah, that's okay. Whatever. I don't know why because I never ordered for stuff. Like I get a test to Iron Fortress from Instagrams, and then the mail post office is really pain in the ass. And I tell him that I agree with you. So yes. I don't know why because I don't understand why he gave me those. It's made me confused, man. But thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm not a big fan person because I'm supposed to read. I'm not stuff. I don't know. It's not real fucking bell or I don't know. Whatever. I'm not a big fan person. Who cares? Alright. Next, we got paper. Flora. And we got the Forza Soul CD finally. Because I'm a big fan of Forza Souls forever. And, my personality, we can death metal. So yeah, that's a problem. So I tried waiting because the tracking the patches came. So, unfortunately, it's not my case. Stupid plastic. So yeah. Anyways, this is old stuff. Also, so really cool. No, I'm not worried about that. You guys don't tell me. This one is really cool. I've never been Frozen Soul ever. The concert. It's really cool. Awesome stuff. And, I will post it. Instagram's really cool stuff. We're happy right now. And so yeah. That's cool. We're happy. Next, we got cassette tapes. So, yeah. And I ordered a tape, just one cassette tape, and I want it so badly. And so, yeah. And sometimes, and then I never buy no more. Just wait till my customer money, or stuff. And so yeah, this one is it's really cool. You did not see it. It's really cool. The new album. They came out from some of that. It's really cool. Red on it. You see it. This guy's in the band because I really like that metal. So yeah, this one's really cool. And there are 4 soundtracks. You see it. It's awesome stuff. So we got soundtrack because I did buy it because the tapes. It's really fucking awesome. I'm really happy. We're happy we got the tapes. We got CD, of course. I love CD. And I bought just one cassette in CDs, and I bought 2 Frozen Soul CDs. It's really fucking cool. It's awesome stuff. And so anyways, it's really cool stuff. Plastic recycle. I mean, don't count. Whatever. So we got the CDs, really cool. They came out awesome. Can't wait to hear it. The pearl green cover. It's the same copies of CD. It's really cool. Happy that. And also we got the sticker. Big shout out to the Air Forges Records. It's really awesome stuff. Thank you, the sticker. Really cool. I will post the Instagrams for you guys, and so yeah. Hey, next package. This is the iPhone, just the same. This is why what happens in the box and damage. Post office, they don't care. Everybody care. We can everybody, excuse me, everybody don't care, and I care because this is why nobody else. Nobody else is saying to do what I'm going to do. So, yeah, that's a problem. And finally, I'm really happy. Package. So, yeah. There you go. Big in the box. So, yeah. Nothing now. Cool. Now, big in the box of beer. Excuse me. Now you have fucking pouch bags. So, yeah. So, yeah, because of the there you go. Watch. Jesus Christ. So, let's bust them a little bit. I hate myself. This stupid thing. Alright, this is project done. Sorry, it's just fucking trail noise. It's this really cool sticker. I love that sticker. I keep it. We got these. They have them available. Go check out the store. And this the Fighter T. Like chemical store. It's really cool. Excuse me. And we got. Let me move away, guys. You see it in tapes. So it's really cool tape, and also we got these stuff is signed. So yeah, almost. So yeah, I'm really happy I would buy so bad. This is Frosted Scream. And you see it, the Frosted Scream in the company. It's really awesome. Frosted Screams and supports to you, and it's really awesome. Awesome. They have sticker on it. They have the tapes. That one, cool, super cool. I love it. And this one, awesome photos. 3 guys in the band. So we got the down there, the bomb, the soundtrack, and I'm really happy. Awesome stuff. I'm really glad. I really enjoy in the boxing video. So let's see what you got. These are you guys should know the Frosted Screams, the stuff like that. This is small, and it's really cool stuff. It's like horror films and that. I'm really happy. And it's really cool, awesome stuff. I mean, it's great stuff. It's really great stuff. So yeah, it's really awesome. This is the Frosted Scream. This is the Iron Fortress Records, and he killed it. Awesome job. I'm very, 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 very happy. And I'm so proud. This guy's this work hard. And so yeah, really happy. So yeah. So when we mix it here, that's okay. I don't care. This is not so white all the time. But I'm gonna show you guys spin puns. This one is really cool because the day came out, and this is our wire because the day came out. This is total heart awaits for all you do it. Check this out. My fingers just difficult, guys. Just give me 1 second. There you go. This one is really cool. The way the tapes. I love tapes so much because I'm a big fan of personal because my first person. I don't have the cassettes tape stuff. Yeah, so yeah. That's awesome stuff. Now I'm really happy. Okay, move away. There's a bunch of going on stuff. I'll put it right here for now. I'm not worried about that. No problem. Okay, next. I don't know because it's more like this the guy's name, David. Because I know it's a mystery. Go over and check us out. So yeah. I know this is on the Headsplit. I think I don't know. It's so hard to tell. I'll move my chair. Sorry, guys. This tape is ridiculous. Sorry, my glasses will fall off. Jesus Christ. So yeah. Well, this is the Headsplit. Really cool. And I will apologize to the Headsplit because I understand they show out the packs and stuff. I will apologize. And I understand that. Don't get me wrong. It's really cool. The Headsplit Macy. Awesome. Now I'll show you where posted. That bubble wrap. I'm gonna show you guys and I CDs. And he gave me CDs and it's signing now. So yeah. Yeah, they came out in CDs for now. It's really cool. I'll put a cover here. I'm gonna show you that. It's really cool. It's a new one that came out before. I don't know. So yeah. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. We got here. We got awesome tapes. It's really cool. I'm really happy about that. This is really cool. I like cover tapes. No. So yeah. It's awesome stuff. Great stuff. So yeah. We're happy. I'm really surprised that they have a cassette tape. So no. Next. this is a double whatever name. Apologize, I don't speak in my language. So no. Clear up over here. This is really sick, cool. This is Legend of this Death. It's more like a wide core or death metal. I don't know. So you guys, it's really awesome tapes. And a bunch of tapes in there. Let me move you away. My tapes. It's really cool. It's more like a black metal. So you guys, because the black metal is this in the bands, awesome band stuff. You see it. You see it closer. Awesome bands. And it's really cool. And I'm really happy. So next we move away. Give me dishes. And we got these, I don't know if this is call fits. This is called call fits, you guys. I don't know its name. So hold up. This is the white. You see it. It's really cool. I don't know what the coffee is, and then two bands. I think, I don't know. I really apologize. You guys, I don't know. I don't know how. And this one, because you see it. Awesome stuff. I can't wait to hear it. Songs. It's really cool. You see the bomb in yellow. I like color tapes. So next, got the CDs. How many tapes do I have? And we got these really cool, awesome stuff. I like the yellow is the same. And the red, really cool custom. Really cool stuff. You see it. That's cool. Okay, we listen to music at home, Sally. Really happy. Next, I know this is file exit. This looks interesting. I never heard it. That. It's really cool. Yellow tapes. It's really sick. It's like this is from Japan's, I think. I don't know. It's hard to tell, like hardcore or death metal or blue death metal stuff. Excuse me. So that's awesome. You see it. That's cool. Not last, not least, how many tape? Oh my god, because it's so ridiculous. It's really too much tape in my shop, you guys. It's ridiculous. I want to keep a box because I want to get weird stuff. So next, not least, that's what they have. Move the box away. Wait, then, and this one, and I know it's in the band's name, so it's hard to say. It's about like a trashy metal or stuff like that. So it's really cool, white. Because I don't know, because it's the I don't know, can't remember my name. I don't know, can't remember the name of the band. So guys, but time is the bands. It's really cool. Awesome supports in the band's vocals, and I'm really glad. Hopefully you hear. And I don't know, because of like trash metal or trashy metal, whatever stuff like that. So yeah, awesome. Thank you, Headsplit Records. I really appreciate it. We got Headsplit Records. We got one CD, a cassette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 cassettes tape. Wow, that's crazy. Next, not least, big one box. I know who it is because it's from Iron Fortress Records, and this is File Record. Awesome. Awesome stuff. Finally came email. I tried to wait forever, like the package came. Okay. Oh, I hate that stupid tape so much. There we go. Please, second, guys. Oops. My bad. There we go. Put my knife away. We got huge, like a pizza. Like a pizza box, guys. That thing. A piece of paper. I got these. There's nothing there. Need for what's like a weird. Sorry about that. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. This is stupid idiots in post office did that. You should what to do it. The fucking box in the package destroyed. Stupid. And oh my god, so we'll survive. Holy shit. Okay. This is really cool. It's awesome. File records. It's really cool. Really happy about that. This stupid destroyed. Oh, that's okay. I'm not buying or it again because this is really stupid. Like the post office, United States postals, they rip you off. Yeah, there's no point. So yeah. No, it's just whatever. Fuck out. It's not helping me. This is stupid. This is why, because this is what happens to me. Is to get damaged, destroyed. That's the problem. You can't do that with the fucking big box destroy. Like, come on. That's just retarded. So, anyways. So, yeah. This was a bit. These. Okay. Mango. Stupid box. This is our one. No, fine. Alright. This is brand new. It's the day after for sale. The cassette tape, you guys. This is really cool because I burned a cover. It's really cool. This is for sale. The cassette tape. Awesome. We're happy. You see it. That's cool. We got 20 and 25 copies. That's awesome. That's Headsplit. This one finally. We got these stuff per cover. It's really cool. This is a hindcore, whatever, chemo stuff. It's so big. We got the sticker bending in doing one. We keep that sticker. We got awesome posters. It's cool. We're happy. Next we got the tapes. Go. This one we got awesome. Like it's like the stuff in the horror movies and stuff. They have the VGS and stuff like that. It's really cool. They have 30 and 30 copies for the tapes. Awesome. Really happy of that. So yeah, so anyways, that's awesome. I'm really happy right now. So yeah, of course that. So yeah, anyways, yeah, and that's it in the video, you guys. And we appreciate that's well crazy stuff in the box. Holy moly! So yeah, I'll do a clear, and thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And give me some likes, thumbs up if you like. And then what do you think this video so far? And so yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't miss notifications about you. Don't miss the video, and give me comments about what you think this video, you guys. I really appreciate it. Supports me, and it's awesome stuff, and I love so much stuff. And don't forget to follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, and then so I will want you to know the posting, and hopefully get that one video soon. Hopefully the patch come the mail, and hopefully so yeah. Stay well, stay real.